Welcome back to the Brick Reading Road, and as you can see, we are back in the layout room. Unfortunately, after the Railroad Museum of Pennsylvania exhibit, I was unable to unbox the layout, so it is in a state of disrepair. We now have one city block intact, a spot for the Abe Lincoln Hotel. We have a bit of a trolley line that has just begun. There'll be more on the trolley in the next video. Got Franklin Street. The Roundhouse did not survive. The Wilmington and Northern branch is going to be elevated above the layout, so I can have a larger rail yard on this section here. This side here is going to be up in the air of what I eventually do with it. The amusement park is now back in the center of the layout by the trolley line. And then Lorraine Station's in the back. We also have new signage on the side. Got our Reading Motor Coach tickets signage. I decided to. And we have some 8-wide rolling stock all lined up in the yard, ready to go to be pulled by this Jeep7. So let's power it up and do a little bit of switching. Let's send it to the yard.